Welcome to Lock50. Here we'll demo how to make a backup copy of key onto our HW02 or HW05 to HW12 key emulators. Simply read your key and press copy and place one of our keys on reader. Simple and fast and powerful. Save time and simply copy other brands' change ID keys onto our OEM spec keys. 100% copy in seconds. The copy is with ID changed and new crypto data written with remote and keyless and emergency start functionality. No further programming required on the car to start car. For the newer RFA types with ST-MCU, when key is unlocked can also make a copy. For PEPS keys, only emergency start will work unless PEPS is removed from the CCF. PCf7953P as well as NCF29A security transponder are supported. When you have working damaged keys unlocked, simply clone onto our keys. No need to repair the old key, no need to spend further time programming on the car OBD, and no need programming any of the car's modules. Safest way to reproduce keys. Thanks for watching the key copy demo. Bye for now from the Lock50 team.